If a law firm has sent you a cease and desist communication, this video is for you. Okay, Amazon sellers, you will often receive letters from brand protection companies and law firms claiming you're violating intellectual property rights, and usually you're not. If you're selling genuine products, usually you're not violating anybody's rights. Sometimes you are, and that's what this video is about. How can you deal with someone making an intellectual property complaint against you that is valid? 100% valid. Well, we deal with these issues all the time for Amazon sellers. Usually the complaints are invalid, usually the complaints are baseless, but sometimes they really do have you by the short hairs and you have to then work out a resolution. There are resolutions that include license agreements. There are resolutions that include distribution agreements. There are resolutions that include buyback or sell-through agreements. And there's often many, many ways to skin the cat in order to get you back to selling, even if the person or company that made the complaint against you, their complaint is right. So if you want to learn more about the different ways to resolve intellectual property right complaints that get asserted against you that are valid, contact me through any one of these methods. Often the people or companies that have made complaints against you are lawyers or other companies that we've worked with previously. And if we haven't worked with them previously, we can reach out to them, because underlying everything that we do, we are here to help sellers succeed. And if that means negotiating a license agreement for you, that's what we are here to do.